Want to ensure your investments go to the right people if something happens to you? If setting up beneficiaries feels morbid but necessary, you're not alone. Today, we're adding a beneficiary to your Fidelity account. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Let's break it down. A beneficiary is the person who inherits your account upon your death. This designation overrides your will, so it's important to keep it current. Step 1. Find the beneficiary section. Log into your Fidelity account and go to Accounts and Trade, then Account Features. Look for Beneficiaries and select Update for the account you want to modify. Step 2. Enter their information. You can add primary beneficiaries, who get the assets first, and contingent beneficiaries, who inherit if the primary beneficiaries aren't alive. You'll need their full name, date of birth, and social security number. And that leads to my crucial pro tip: review your beneficiaries after major life events. A marriage, divorce, birth of a child, or death in the family should trigger a review of all your beneficiary designations. An outdated beneficiary is one of the most common and costly estate planning mistakes. So, just like that, you've taken an important step in protecting your loved ones. Proper beneficiary setup goes a long way in ensuring your wishes are carried out smoothly. Now I'm curious, do you have a single primary beneficiary, or do you split the percentage among multiple people? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments, and subscribe for more clear-cut guides like this one. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.